All right, guys, this is the Active 2.0 pressure washer, 1800 PSI, 2.0 gallons per minute. This is a really big factor for when you're washing a car and you are using a foam cannon. The more GPM you have, the better it is. I would say I wouldn't get any pressure washer that's under 1.6. The Karcher that I've used for years, and then finally decided recently to upgrade to this guy, because this has always been a dream of mine to have this pressure washer, the Active 2.0, is a 1.8 gallon per minute pressure washer. Another great pressure washer, a lot cheaper, but it's time to upgrade. I've heard great things about this. This is the go-to if you don't want a Kranzler or however you pronounce it. I did a review on one of those as well. I'll put links in my description for the other pressure washers I've reviewed if you want to consider some other options, but I'm doing an unboxing right now. Later on today, I will be trying this new Active 2.0 pressure washer out, but I just wanted to share the unboxing process. Super excited about this. This is a premium pressure washer for washing your car. You can use it for other things around the house as well. It'll do a great job at that, but my primary focus with this guy is to use it for washing my vehicle. You can see also what's included. So I have the pressure washer, the 2.0 model, spray nozzle kit, high pressure hose, an adapter, short gun, angled wand, and mount feet kit, which is nice. Might be able to put wheels on them as well on the bottom, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. But yeah, this is like the bee's knees when it comes to pressure washers that are used for washing your car. And this thing is also has a very small footprint, so it's great for mobile detailers as well. Let me see here. Okay. Cardboard, very nice. All right, first box. This is the feet. So let's see here. All right, instruction manual. Okay, here's the wand. First impression, feels great. I normally use the MTM wand. Here's the quick connect. Stainless steel quick connect here. I believe this one's brass. Stainless steel is nice to be rust proof, but yeah, so you can put wheels on the bottom, which is nice. It's maybe something to add later on down the line. This is the bent wand. These might be the nozzle attachments. Okay, yep. Oh, these are nice. So these are the cone, these are the different degrees. I also love when they include the rubber. Here, let me take it out of the product or the package to show you guys how close. This is a rubber thing, so if you get close to your vehicle, you're not going to damage it. Easy to attach, quick connect. Oh, this is like premium quality, very nice stuff. Here's that's the 15 degree. Definitely don't want to use something like that on the car. That might be better used around the house to get mold off the concrete or something like that. Here is the 40 degree. This is the normal degree for washing the dirt off your car, washing the soap off the car. And the green tip is probably 25. Yeah, 25. 25, maybe I would use that more towards the undercarriage. Definitely no 15. 40, stick to it. This can take your paint off, so be careful. So, okay, here's the quick connect adjustment. I believe this is for the pressure washer hose. And this piece is really cool as well. This is like a open mouth, so it's like kind of like a garden hose. Goes on just like this, and you're good to go. It'll just be like filling up your bucket, things like that, when you need more water and not like necessarily the pressure washer nozzle. Very cool. Everything feels like good quality so far. So far, still very excited. Put this back here. All right, so here's the pressure washer hose. Away from the body. Away from the body. Wow. This hose is nice. I'm getting all types of excitement. Very nice. Oh wow, it has a so if you know anything about hoses, I actually know a lot about hoses. Well, not that much, but recently I've gotten really familiar with hoses and fittings. When hoses are, rubbed together, it causes something called abrasion. So sometimes they have abrasion hoses or abrasion sleeves. This kind of feels like an abrasion sleeve. So if you're rubbing it across the ground, or it's rubbing against each other, you aren't going to pop a hole in the hose. That is really big and something really common, which costs a lot of money. Oh, that is very nice. Yeah, this is a very nice hose. I think it's 40 feet. So 212 degree Fahrenheit hose. Max pressure 3000 PSI. What is this? Is it a dash? Yeah, dash 04. It's 04. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. And it comes with the quick connect. I'll pull out the gun. So this is going to go into the pressure washer. Slide on there. Then you have the quick connect. That quickly connects to this, and then this goes to the hand nozzle. Woo! She is nice. I'll have to do another review of this wand versus the MTM. Is this a swivel? It is. I love a swivel. I kind of wish that these were all stainless steel fittings. Stainless steel is prone to nut ruts. But here we go. So this connects right like this to the tick connector, and you're good to go. And what else I like is, see how it is a swivel? So it's not going to tangle up on you. At least the hose won't. Super nice. This is amazing. Nice quality. Fits right in there. Easy disconnect. Super sick. So gun. It's the pressure washer gun. Here's the hose. Then we would take something like the 40 degree fitting, put it in there, and that's, spray your car. The wand also goes in here like that very easily, and you see how everything can move. But once you pressurize it and fluid starts moving through it, this will probably not move as easily once it's under pressure. But yeah, very nice. I really like the ergonomics, I think is the word of that. Yeah, so we got the gun, the hose, the feet. Now let's take out the pressure washer. Very nice. Super light. Okay. Oh, that's fancy. B&ID, brand new in the box. There we go. Show it to you guys. That's it. Woo-wee! Nice construction. Garden hose goes in here. There's a filter screen, which is nice. Might use some Loctite, but here's this little bad boy goes on here, and the hose will connect there. everything is very nice, super light as well. I'm sure you guys can feel that. I mean, you see that. Which is really cool. This is just a warning, talking about the hoses and stuff. But also as cool as you see this little back, all these guys go right in there. So you never lose them. I almost don't even like when, if other people are gonna use the pressure washer for washing cars and stuff, I would take the 15 degree off. I wouldn't even let them see that, because if they use it, that's gonna be a bad day in the neighborhood. Definitely a bad day, especially for the paint. But yeah, so that little guy, where the feet get attached. They're just screwed on, or what? One like this or something? I'm not entirely sure. I'll have to figure this out. How this goes on. Because I am not sure. I think it's something like this goes here. Maybe. I don't know, I have to look it up. The feet go on, but these guys go on here somehow or another. And I am drawing a blank. Huh. Okay. There's one. And here's two. Okay, well. But I need a screw. Go in that. Did it come with this screw? Oh, yeah, here's the screws. Okay. So that would go on, but this little guy will sit just like this. How fancy, how nice. I love it. I'm excited. So here's the active 2.0 pressure washer, the hose, the wand, everything. That thing is neat. I am excited to give that a try and wash my Porsche. Yeah. So stay tuned for the in-use video of this guy. Like I said, it is, I believe, 1800 PSI, 2.0 gallons per minute. It's a kick butt little unit there. Super lightweight, super excited. All right, stay tuned for the video of me trying that guy out. I'm excited. And also with the wand, you can see, you can use this for the foam cannon and spray. Foam your car all over. Yeah, super excited. Super sweet. Stay tuned for the demo of this guy. Thanks.